Welcome to Love in the Wild, the podcast where healing gets real, dating can be complicated, and self-love is the main character energy we're all here for. I'm your host, Katelyn Ansari, recovering people pleaser, expert red flag spotter, and your personal cheerleader through every glow-up, breakdown, and late-night overthinking spiral. Every week, we're diving into love, heartbreak, boundaries, and the wild ride of becoming that girl. Healed, happy, and unbothered. So grab your matcha, your journal, or just your AirPods. Because around here, we don't chase love, we become it. Hey, welcome back to Love in the Wild. I'm Katelyn Ansari, and today's episode is very special and slightly unpredictable. I have a guest with me who knows me very well. Actually, he knows me better than anyone. He also critiques me more than anyone. Please welcome Cash, my 10-and-a-half-year-old son. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do some icebreakers and let's start with a lightning round. You have to answer fast. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your favorite
Pasta.
food? What are some things that adults do that make zero sense?
Yep.
Yap? Like a podcast yap? Oh my gosh. What is the coolest thing about being 10?
Being able to ride my bike to school.
Oh, that is pretty cool. What is something you wish grown-ups understood better?
Responsibility.
You wish adults knew responsibility better?
Gave us better responsibility.
Like what kind of responsibility do you want?
Letting us ride our bike to Walmart.
Oh, okay. You just want more freedom because you're so independent. Okay. All right, we're going to get a little deeper, but not too deep. Don't worry. What is so funny? Are you reading them? Okay. What does love mean to you? It can be like mama love.
Mama love, probably.
What is mama love?
Hugs.
Hugs. Is it making your favorite food?
Mm-hmm.
Is it spanking your booty when you're in trouble?
No.
Don't fall. Okay. Who was your first crush?
Presley.
Presley. Wait, who's Presley?
First grade.
First grade? This is back in California?
Well, yeah.
Or was this here in Texas?
California.
California? I don't think I remember Presley. What color hair did she have?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. This is a good one because you have a lot of friends. You are so social. You're my little social bug. What makes someone a good friend?
Playing with you.
Just playing with you?
Yeah.
What about like shared interests?
Yes.
What about being nice?
Yeah.
What about pooping in the kitchen?
No.
Okay. What is something you think I do really well as a mom?
Take care of me.
Oh, you're so sweet. Swear, but if you break that thing, I'm gonna...
That's true. You're chunkier, so you would probably break it. Big Mac.
I'm a... Did you just call me a Big Mac? Wow, okay. Thick thighs save lives.
Big booty. BBL.
How do you know what BBL is?
Brazilian butt.
Oh my gosh, how do you know what that is? How do you know what a BBL is?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh my gosh. Is it from YouTube?
No. It's from you.
How is it from me?
No.
I did not, for the record, get a BBL. If I did, I'd have a big booty.
Crystal got one then.
No, she did not get a BBL. She just naturally has a big booty. Okay. What is something you think I could do better as a mom?
Give me more Robux.
give you more Robux. You know what? I just need this podcast to start making money, and then I'll have you on all the time, and I'll pay you in Robux. Bet. Okay, well, let's talk Roblox, screen time, and why you think I'm cringe sometimes. Okay, so what's cooler, Roblox or Mom's podcast?
Both.
Both! Do you think I'm cool for having a podcast?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and you're my first guest.
Mm.
You want more food?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? When are you not hungry, though?
I don't know.
I feel like you are always. You are so go, 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 and hungry, hungry, hungry. Like a hungry little hippo. Are you bored already?
Yeah. Not really. I'm just hungry.
You're just hungry. Okay, we'll finish this up. What's something embarrassing that I've done lately?
Probably like spam the F word today.
I did. I had a moment, but what was I doing?
Fixing the camera.
Yeah, I was trying to fix the camera. And you were so sweet. You brought me water and just let me have my moment. Sorry for saying the F word.
That'll be.
I know, it's a bad word. Okay, what do you think I talk about on here? On this podcast called Love in the Wild?
Probably about you and about love and how to find a new boyfriend and all that.
You are way too smart for your own good. You know that? You're very intuitive and observant. Okay, we're almost done. If you had your own podcast, what would it be called?
All about soccer.
All about soccer. Would you be training people about soccer, or would you be like recapping games?
Taking professionals into the podcast.
Ooh, and like talking about like their last game?
Yeah.
Like what they did good and what they did bad? It's a good podcast. Who would you interview first?
If I can, Ronaldo. If I can't, Valverde.
Valverde? Okay. So, did you see that Ronaldo got engaged?
Uh-huh. He's already gotten engaged.
I know. It was like...
It was in Dubai.
It was in Dubai? Did you see her ring?
What?
Did you see her ring? It was like...
I know. Yeah, it's massive.
Massive.
Well, no doubt they're trillionaires.
They are trillionaires. Okay. I think we've given people enough wisdom and chaos for one day. But before we wrap up, if you could give the grown-ups listening one piece of advice, what would it be? This is your time to tell every grown-up the coolest kid advice.
Probably.
I feel like it's right on the tip of your tongue. What?
It is.
What? Say it. Oh.
Probably.
Just say it.
If you have children, play Roblox with them.
Okay.
There's a lot of games you would like on there.
Like Grow Garden. I like Grow Garden.
Well, yeah, you would like that, but also like Brookhaven and RP games.
I like Brookhaven. It gives me my dream house. The pool. Okay. Well, I just want to say thank you for being my first official guest. I love you and I'm proud of you. You are one of my greatest teachers, even when you're roasting me about BBLs.
You so chunky. No, you so dumb. When you brought a spoon to the Super Bowl.
Oh, wait, do you have a your mama joke?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Your mom so fat. No, your mama so dumb. When she went to the mic. No, your mom was so ugly. When she went to the mirror, it shattered.
Oh. Okay. Kids got game. Kids got game. All right. Thank you, my love. We're going to go make Cash some food because this kid is always hungry. He's going to eat me out of house and home one day. But until then.
She's going to get a BBL.
I'm going to get a BBL.
Goodbye.
And that's a wrap on today's episode of Love in the Wild. If you laughed, nodded, cried, or texted your bestie mid-episode, you already know the drill. Don't keep it to yourself. Leave a review, share it in your stories, and tag me at Katelyn Ansari so I can hype you up right back. Remember, healing isn't linear, dating isn't a sport, And you? You're doing better than you think. Be soft, stay unbreakable, and I'll see you next week.